Hello, my name is Fabian, and today I'm going to demonstrate what happens in the immune system using Scenario 3 where the daughter comes into contact with the virus H1N1 that she has previously recovered from. The virus first flows through her respiratory tract, across her mucous linings after she kisses the pillow with the remaining virus. Our first line of defense is our innate immunity. In this case, her respiratory tract has cilia that are going to work and try to move out of the viral particles. Some might get through and infect some of her cells, which cause the infected cells to release interferons, which will synthesize enzymes that will interfere with viral replication and stimulate natural killer cells to kill the infected cells using perforons granzymes in the process called apoptosis. This in turn will release another interferon that will stimulate macrophages to engulf the virus. Dendrites and macrophages will engulf the virus and present them to T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. Since she has already been infected with H1N1, her immune system has already produced immune cells that can bind to this exact virus and will be able to quickly recognize and respond to the virus. Memory T cells will be circulating in secondary lymph structures, and memory B cells hold the antibodies for this exact virus. The helper T cells will bind to the antigen on the MHC class II of the macrophages or dendrites and begin to divide and release interleukin 2 and stimulate other helper T cells to divide as well. Cytotoxic T cells will also be able to bind to the MH class I of infected cells. The interleukin 2 from the activated helper T cells will then activate the cytotoxic T cells and they will proliferate. Then we have the B cells that engulf the antigen then present it to the TCR of the helper T cells. The interleukin 2 from an activated helper T cell will activate the B cell, and the B cells will proliferate plasma cells that will produce antibodies and more memory B cells. The antibodies will bind to the antigens and cause neutralization, agglutinin, and/or precipitation. Cytotoxic T cells will release perforin that makes a hole in the cell membrane and granzymes that induce apoptosis to any cells that express antigen. This whole process will be a lot faster than her first response to the virus, and she won't get sick again.